Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is June 14th, 2025. This is our weekly results for our AI trading forecasting tool. What it is you have a black bar. It tells you there's high probability the price is going to move on the next bar. And so we're looking to enter at the low of that black bar or the high of that black bar with a stop, which is the red dots you'll see on the chart. And then the target would be the blue crosses. There's trending type of scenarios, there's consolidation. If you have a shade in the background, so if you have a red shade, you're going to bet on it going down because the trend is bearish. If you have a green background, you're going to bet on it going up because it's a green bullish trade. If you have no colored background at all, that means it could consolidate. So what we're looking for it to do is hit the red dot, which is a drawdown, and then either break the high or low of that bar to enter the trade. So let's go for the results here, but basically not bad at all considering you had that Black Swan event with Israel bombing Iran at the end of the week, which did influence a lot of results and stuff like that. Also, the markets were a little consolidating to at the middle of the week. So basically the results were 14 winners, 10 break even, and 4 loss. So our money manager did kick in a lot, and that's why we have a lot of break even trades, which is good. So let's go for these trades here. HRB is a winning trade here. EWZ, this is Brazil. I don't think anyone's expecting this one, but Brazil kind of popped out last week, which is a silent winner here. HAS, Hasbro, Procter and Gamble, and there's a mixture of bullish and bearish trades, so you'll see that across the board. Euro Nook here was bearish. That's an unusual reason why is Euro's been getting strong compared to a lot of currencies out there, except for Nook. PFE, this has been down for a while. Looks like it could have potential to go up. UHS has been going up, finally sat there and went down, kind of corrected. Qualcomm had earnings here, so it popped here. That was a bullish trade. This is a trade here. This is a trade we did not enter because it's a green background. It broke to the bottom side, but so that's no trade there. These are trades that got to break even. We have this money management tool, which is this purple line here. Once price gets there, we go to break even. So this was break even. URI is break even. Kim was break even. Ben was break even. Here, this is break even. This is break even. And then we had a couple of losses here with shades, which was interesting to see. Typically, you don't have that many losses in the shaded region. We did. A lot of them did not get to max loss at all, which is good. So you entered right there, it closed here, so that was a little loss right there. HYG, right there. This didn't get to max loss either, so it entered right there and got out there. There's a currency in here, pound Australian. This was barely a minimum loss here. Entered here and closed here. JNK. This is a minor loss too here. Okay. And then all these others here did not enter at all. These are ones that were consolidating, basically did not have a shade, so we'll look for a drawdown before we could enter those trades here. So this is a trade here that did break the high but didn't go for a drawdown, so we didn't look to enter bullish, but it did break the low, so that was a bearish trade here. XOM, due to the, everything going on, that did pop here, so that was bullish. GD here was bullish. This currency here, pound Switzy, was bearish. ILMN was bullish. DGX was bullish. These are trades that did not go for a drawdown, but did break the higher low, but we did not enter them based on our criteria. HP, AES, and then we had a couple of break-even trades here. EuroCAD, AMI, AEE, UDR, and then you had OKE, which is a minor loss. You can see we entered there, barely closed out below it here, so this is a minor loss. So overall, the week's not bad at all considering everything that's going on with the Black Swan events out there. 14 winners, 10 break even, and 4 losses. If you have any questions, please ask. Also, please like and share this video. Remember, this AI forecasting tool, even though we're showing on the weekly time frame for stocks, currencies, and futures, pretty much works for any instrument, any time frame out there. But we have to show you something for actions for proof. So again, if you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.